it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Silas.
And Silas is going to start the Bass Clef section in the Level 1 Lessons book. So we're going to talk about page 38 today. So I'm just going to tell Silas a bunch of facts about the Bass Clef, and then next week we'll see if he remembers them all. This is called the Bass Clef. It's called the Bass Clef because it's for low sounds, and the word bass means low. So it includes usually the keys middle C and below. It's usually played by the left hand, and it has another name. Sometimes it's called the F Clef. It's called the F Clef for two reasons. One, it identifies the F line. The F line goes through the two dots, and the note that sits on the F line is this F right here, the one right below middle C. So we'll call that bass F. And the F line is, or the F clef is also called the F clef because it takes its shape from the old-fashioned letter F. I don't know if you've ever seen like a fancy cursive F and it has like a little line right there.
No.
It looks like that.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a fancy F. And the bass clef has 5 lines and 4 spaces because it's on a staff. So the way that we'll remember the 5 line notes in the bass clef is with the little mnemonic device. Gummy, bears, don't, fly, airplanes. And those lines correspond with these keys on the piano. G2, B3, D3, F3, and A4. So gummy, bears, don't, fly, airplanes. And then the space notes we remember with all cows eat grass. And those 4 space notes are A3, C3, E3, G3. All cows eat grass. So hopefully you can memorize that this week. And then we have to learn 3 notes really well this week with your first white flashcards. So we have F, bass F that sits on the F line. It's the F right below middle C. And we have G, which is the top space note, the one that would be grass. All cows eat grass. And then we have A, which would be gummy bears don't fly, airplanes. So hopefully, if I hold up one of these next week, you can say F and then play it as fast as you can. Yep. Yep.
Oh, wait.
Almost. Yep. And you'll want to use your left hand when you play it. Okay, that's it.